let's go see some puffins. I've never seen puffins in in real life. I'm actually excited. We are in North Twillingate, part of the Twillingate Island, where Greg has been slacking in the map department. So, let's do some catch-up. So the last time I left Robinson's, went for this route here, found my way and through the island, and this is approximately where I lost the kickstand spring. Continued and got caught in the rain, and this is where I crashed. Right where the pavement is. I followed through, went to Grand Falls, and that's where I stayed. And in the previous videos I traveled all the way north to Farewell, where I took the ferry to Fogo Island and back, and I stayed in Twillingate. I'm gonna head south towards Bonavista, which is here. Still holding up. So Twillingate is known for its hiking trail, and I will do some sightseeing, quick sightseeing before hitting the main road. Crowhead. It's the very top or north part of Twillingate Island, or should I say Twillingate Islands, because they're only connected via causeways. Oh, that's deep. Keeps on climbing. Oh, and I can see the lighthouse. How the sacrifices you make when traveling that way. Twillingate is renowned for its hiking trails. They are everywhere. I could easily spend, what, 4 days? 5 days maybe? But I'll keep this island in my mind for taking notes for later. I'll come back eventually. The weather shouldn't be too bad today. They say it's gonna be well, overcast like this, but it may change in a couple of hours. It is crazy how fast it can change. I could either have sun or a thunderstorm. Whichever you prefer. All fueled up, and I better get going. because it's going to be, yeah, about 400 kilometers of pavement, of twisty and winding roads. And I'm headed towards Bonavista Peninsula, and I'm gonna stay in Bonavista, the town of the same name, which is especially known for one thing. So make sure to stay to the end of the video to see what it's famous for. And let's ride! I've been riding for the past 2 hours and I'm only 1/3 of the way. Whew, it's gonna be a long day. I hate this, being in the truck's wake. Isn't it nice? I just found this hot dog on the road and a nice view over there. Let's go check it out. Kilometers to go. Highways are really brain-numbing machines. I felt like a zombie all day. But now I'm entering more rural areas, which is great. Same as usual, are some people and they want you to stay. Like, hey, we've got room for one more. Well, you truly feel welcome here. I've made it to Bonavista, and obviously the GoPro overheated, so I talked to myself for 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is give you a little tour. Well, Bonavista is known for its puffins colonies. You can see early in the morning or in the evening. Morning is easier because they get close to you, like maybe 6 feet. They would come close, 6 feet from you. The puffins, those funny looking, all colorful, love child between a parrot and a penguin. puffins. Alright, let's go see some puffins. I've never seen puffins in, in real life. I'm actually in Elliston, 15 minutes drive from Bonavista. That's where you can see the better the puffins colony. Allegedly. I'm actually excited. I think it's right there on this rock. I see birds flying. I know they can fly. I can see some spots. Oh yeah. I see. You've got some people, but I see tiny little things. I found a spot to park the bike. You cannot park next to them for obvious reasons. And what I found is those fridge ancestors, more like hobby store. They are called root cellars. You can actually store vegetables and whatnot in there, and it would stay cold or fresh. I have no idea where to find them. All I see is seagulls. The ever annoying seagulls. I'm gonna follow my fellow humans and do as they do. Their favorite spot is, can I see it on the camera? Right there, so nobody's staying there in case they land. But today the wind is blowing the wrong way. I might not be able to shoot anything close, but they're fun to look at. I'm gonna stop moving and just wait for a bit. So I've waited a bit and they stayed on their rock. That's why no human can get closer to them. You just have to wait for them to just fly by and stop next to you. But the wind was blowing the wrong way, or maybe it was a fishing day. They kept taking off and land on the water. And by the way they fly, they try to imitate the seagulls. And and doing so, they just look like big flies. They've got a big heavy body and tiny wingspan, and when they land on water, they just dive bomb. Like, it's awkward. The seagulls, they kept pushing them off the cliffs, like for no reason, because seagulls, no, they are adorable. That's they're fun. It was so cool. I enjoyed it.